Here this button click event generating the sitemap. Now I am going to replace with keyboard event. So I am going to remove the button. See, the button was removed. Now here I am going to write code for the keyboard event. I have already registered JQuery in layout page. When the key is pressed, the key down event going to be called. This is for control key. Keycode 71 is for letter G. When the control and G is pressed, this function going to be called. Now let's check. Now I pressed Ctrl G. Keyboard shortcut working perfectly. This website contains list of keycode values for the keyboard buttons. Let's try with M. Its value is 77. Now check. Now I am pressing Ctrl M. Okay. Click this link. Here you can press the keyboard buttons and know the values. For keycode values, links in the description. Thanks for watching.